Hi guys, I just wanted to quickly pop in here to let you know that I am gonna be back really soon. I just had to step away from YouTube for a little bit because I was really busy. Whenever there is summer, usually the whole routine, everything changes, and I just didn't have physical time to actually sit down and do any of the videos, so I kind of had to step away. But stay tuned because I'm gonna show you guys our adventures. We recently had this crazy super duper road trip, so I'm just gonna show you what we did and what we saw, all our crazy adventures. It was so much fun. It was so much like energizing. It was like it felt good. It felt really good. Like I was not on my screen, like I was barely on my phone. I was just like taking videos basically. Like I didn't spend any other time on any of the social media or anything like that. I was basically just enjoying the views. It was amazing. It was just like breathtaking. I've never seen anything like this before, so I'm really excited to share with you guys and take you guys on a little road trip with me. I recorded like total of 6 hours of unedited videos, so I had to kind of shrink it, and I'll probably make like 3 videos soon, so definitely stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I'm coming back up and we're gonna have plenty of content. Just stay tuned. So I'll see you soon.